Friends, subscribe my channel and turn on the bell icon so you're not gonna miss any upcoming effective simple home remedies.
Friends, in that video I'm going to share with you the mask that sparked the world's madness, natural Botox with only 2 ingredients. It's going to remove the wrinkles for you and the fine lines naturally. It treats the fine lines and it fills the skin like Botox. With very simple ingredients at home, we can prepare this super effective method. The first ingredient we need is aspirin, and this is to get it from the pharmacy. Get aspirin, and we need five aspirins. Place it into a grinder and crush it fine. Once we crush it to a fine powder like so, place it into a clean mixing bowl. Then we need 1 egg, and we need to use the egg whites. So crack the egg like so. Now mix well all the ingredients. After mixing well all the ingredients, apply it on your skin and leave it on your skin for 45 minutes to 1 hour in order to work for this properly, and then rinse it with warm water followed by cold water without you wash it with soap or any kind of face wash, and leave it overnight. My friends, it's going to work for you. It removes the wrinkles and it's super effective in removing wrinkles and fine lines naturally. It is amazingly effective, my friends. You need to try it.
So that was it, guys, today. Thank you for watching. I hope the video will help you, and if you like the video, please subscribe for more content. I'm trying to upload for you very cool beauty ideas, and also like those. That will help me a lot, and I'll see you in my next video. I love you.